You will be inspired by the story of Carlos E. Yulo from the Philippines, a double gold medalist in Olympic artistic gymnastic. Si Roberto po ito from the USA, and welcome to my channel. And bago po ang lahat, maraming salamat po to all my new subscribers. Unfortunately, we gotta do more. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Carlos Yulo was born on February 16, year 2000 in Malate, Manila, Philippines. Pakinggan natin ang kwento ni Lolo Rodrigo tungkol sa kanyang apo na si Carlos Yulo. According to Lolo Rodrigo, or they call him by the name of Boy, Carlos was around 6 or 7 years old when he started to develop a love for tumbling, and later on, his talent got a spotlight of his own. Palarong Pambansa. It is a local sports competition between school and colleges in the Philippines. Was the first competition for Carlos Yulo, and unfortunately, he failed on that event. After getting the permission from Carlos Yulo's parents, Cynthia Carrion have taken over the training of Carlos Yulo, starting with hiring a Japanese gymnastic coach. And Carlos Yulo was sent to Japan for almost 2 years, all expenses paid courtesy of Cynthia Carrion. Carlos Yulo's journey to the Olympic Games in Paris was a big success, winning double gold. Carlos Yulo's journey. Carlos Yulo is a true inspiration to us all.